Hey, what's up YouTube? How are you guys? So today I am here at the Digit Tech event. That's the second tech event. I've been on the first tech event that happened on June last month, and that time I explored like some smartphones, gadgets, VR gaming headsets, and this time I'm expecting this event to be on a more broader level, as they said, as the Digit team said to us. So as you can see, this is the main entrance, and so see, that's the entrance and people are coming, and I've just got a band. That's a wristband. See, Digit Squad is written over there. So I'm just going inside. Let me just flip the camera.
I've been saving every dollar that I make. I've been driving 70 Tennessee. I've been faking smiles for everyone I see. Front seat is getting cold. Yellow lines are getting old. So won't you come again? Won't you ride? Won't you lean against the window? Won't you watch the rivers glide and feel that highway blow? I just need another heart, another hand on the radio, 'cause I keep spinning my own wheels, waiting on something to heal, but I can't keep driving alone. Wish I was in Nashville, wearing cowboy boots, standing on a street corner, singing out my blues. I wish I had a mic stand and a sparkly guitar. I wish someone would